In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem that music no results found problem on Instagram, and I'm going to show you how to solve the problem. So as you can see, I'm in the Instagram music tab, and as you can see, I don't have results. So for you, it can maybe show that it says no results found, and I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. So first, close Instagram. I'm going to show you 3 ways of solving this, and one of them must work for you. So first, go to the Play Store and then go to Instagram like this. Just type it in, Instagram, and there we go. And for you, it may be not updated. So what you want to do, if you can't do it, first update. So I already updated it, so I have to open it, but it's still not working. What you then have to do is you have to hold the Instagram app icon, then go to the eye icon, and there we go. It's going to open app info, and then go to permissions, and then you want to make sure to allow everything. So for now, everything is allowed, but if some things are denied, such as contacts or camera or location, it has to be allowed. So if this still didn't work, there's a last solution, and that is just by completely removing Instagram from your phone. So go back to the Play Store or the App Store and uninstall the app and then reinstall it, and that should do the trick. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.